In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Wix in 2025. We'll walk through each step to make this process as straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First, open up your Google Chrome browser or whichever browser you prefer to use. Once you've got your browser ready, go ahead and type in wix.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to Wix's homepage, your gateway to designing websites. Once you're on Wix's website, you'll want to locate the login button, usually found at the top corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. If you do have an account, a quick tip is to log in with your Google account. It's often simpler and quicker. To do this, just select Continue with Google. This step is particularly useful if you've previously linked your Google account with Wix, which ensures a seamless login experience without needing to remember another password. With successful login complete, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard, which is your control center for all your website production needs. Here, you'll look for the option to Design Site. Clicking on that will open up the Wix editor where all the magic happens in terms of website creation and customization. In the Wix editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on Add Apps, which will open the Wix App Market. This feature allows you to enhance your website's functionality with a variety of applications. Within the App Market, you'll want to use the search function for the app named Table Master. Simply type Table Master into the search bar and hit enter. As you scroll through the search results, look for an option that says Add Customized Tables and Google Spreadsheets. This app will enable you to add personalized tables to your site, making your data management both visually appealing and functional. The app isn't yours just yet. To make it a part of your Wix arsenal, click on Install. Installing the app is crucial as it integrates with your Wix editor, providing you the tools and features necessary to configure your tables according to your specific needs and style preferences. Once installed, it's time to indulge your creative side. You can now edit the tables as you desire. Whether you're embedding Google Spreadsheets or designing unique tables from scratch, the possibilities for customization are extensive, allowing you to create tables that perfectly align with your site's theme and purpose. And there you have it. You've successfully added a table to your Wix site. I hope this guide was helpful. And as always, happy website designing.